Yep, my mom's the bird lady. My mom is the bird lady. Hey, Mom, can I have some? Mom, can I have some? They don't care that I'm standing right here taking a video of them. They probably like it because they're so pretty and they want to be famous. My mom is the bird lady. I want some. No?
What's up? I don't have enough to split between the two of us.
Yeah. Look at him. I've
Where did
never
you get
been
that at?
so close.
Where did you get that at?
I have never been so close to a bird.
You should make a video of this.
Wow, my mom is the bird lady. Look at that one, that's so tiny. Look at that, I'm so close to the birds. I'm like right in front of them. Oh, that's my end of my video. But look at all these birds. My mom's the bird lady. Oh, sorry, Noah. Okay, I'm wondering if...
Come on, Lance.
They're poking at each other to get to the food.
Take it out with
Maybe you can like break a chip and...
How cool is that?
Yeah, so my mom's the bird lady. Mom, you're the bird lady. Apparently they don't like me. Hey, you want to be famous, little birdie? Apparently you do, because you're staying there and picking at that bird. Yeah, but my mom is the bird lady. Mom, say you're the bird lady.
I'm the bird lady.
She's the bird lady.
Yes. Yes, she totally is, dude. Yeah.
No, you know, all they see is, they don't see you very well, right? Because I have my full zoom in. Here, pretty, pretty, pretty.
It's gotta be still.
It's okay, it's okay. Come on, give me your right hand. Look how close I am. I'm so close to him. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. My mom's the bird lady. No, say my mom's the bird lady.
Your mom is the bird lady.
I know. Okay, so these are all the birds. Showing you all the birds, and we're out in the ocean. Yeah, we're on a perch. I'm wondering if any of these fishermen have caught anything big today. My wonders. I'm gonna show the ocean to all of the people.
If I were you, I wouldn't hold your phone like that.
Okay, you've seen the ocean here. You've seen the ocean. I'm gonna show you. Those were all. I think even that one was. Oh wow. Noah, go slow. I'm trying to get her on video. Okay, stop. Zoom in. Okay. Look very, very friendly to that bird. Don't scare her. I'm trying to get her on video. Isn't she pretty? Now let's go. Slowly walk this. Hey, getting birds on camera. My mom's the bird lady. It's official. My mom is the bird lady.